Anong sabi? We all love SUVs. Bakit? Maraming dahilan kung bakit. Pero nakakatuwa, may isang car company na all out ang effort para maibigay ang best na kaya nila. And hands down, this is most likely the best subcompact SUV. Ito po ang 2024 Chery Tiggo 5X Pro. Let's go! Kung di pa po kayo nagsasubscribe sa channel ko, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Kung iisipin mo, sa segment at price range na pinapasukan nitong Tiggo 5X Pro, madami-dami silang mapapagpilian mo. But you have to ask, what makes this vehicle stand out from the rest of them? Honestly, I have never seen any vehicle that has given more value for money in every aspect of being a car or an SUV for that matter, other than the Tiggo 5X Pro. It just feels good to know that there is a car out there that you know that once you decide to buy it, it just feels that you got more out of what you paid for. Para bang sinasabi ni Chery Motors na ayan na, andyan na lahat na kaya naming ibigay, all you need to do is to try it for yourself. Right away, masasabi ko na if I have the money and I'm looking to buy a 5-seater SUV, no doubt, I will go for this one. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na parang love at first sight ang meron ako sa sasakyan na to. Pero my instincts tell me that I will love this car more and more as time goes by. At importante po yan, yung alam mo na 10 years down the road maybe or more, masaya ka pa din sa sasakyan na napili mo. At pwede nyo rin tanungin, owning a Chery for the next 10 years, possible kaya yan? The answer is absolutely yes. It is not a large SUV pero kung tignan mo at i-check mong mabuti, this is a very robust car, inside out. Apart sa nakakabighani na design sa harap, all around, may dating siya sa akin na alam mong matibay siya. Yung every part at placement ng mga components everywhere, it is all well engineered. This car is really more of a statement from Chery Motors that para ba sinasabi nila na huwag nyo kaming tignan bilang isang ordinaryong Chinese car company lang. Because we are really good in what we do. And the proof is right here, right in front of you for you to experience. Yung front fascia niya, it is an updated look pero signature na ni Chery talaga yung may pagka-diamond effect ng mga clusters ng ilaw dyan sa front grille. Ang dating, the headlights are LED at gusto ko yung malapad niya na shape lalo na pag tinignan nyo sa kanyang ibabaw. Yung design naman ng fog lamps niya sa baba, unconventional din. Double layer siya na may design accent na kakaiba, para bang letter G in a way. Nakakadagdag din sa uniqueness sa design approach. I like it. I like the overall look of its front fascia. Kasi siya yung design na pag nakita mo kahit sa malayo, recognizable agad eh. Alam mo na yon, Chery Motors yun. Sa side profile naman, ang na-recognize ko agad at talagang na-impress din ako kasi meron siyang protective black mudguard na nakapaikot sa buong sasakyan. It gives you that idea na talagang inisip ni Chery Auto or Chery Motors yung iba't ibang road conditions na meron tayo dito sa Pinas. Kaya kahit hindi siya ganun kalaking SUV, masasabi mo na this is a pretty good SUV tailor-fit for the Philippine roads. Speaking of road conditions, isang part ng sasakyan na to na talagang napahinto ako at napahanga ng nalaman ko kasi independent, all around po, independent suspension system po ang meron ng Tiggo 5X Pro. So for sure, you can expect a comfortable ride. May repeaters po yung mga side mirrors niya, ground clearance. At this view, it really looks tall. Well, di naman nakakapagtaka yan dahil as I've said, this SUV looks tailor-fit to handle our Philippine roads. Sa bandang baba, okay din ang red accent na nakapaloob sa black protective lining na yan. It gives that look na nagbibigay sa'yo ng idea na this is a special vehicle. Dito naman po sa likod, naka-remote tailgate po ang unlock feature niyan. Yung tail lamps naman niya, yung design approach na ginamit sa kanya, talagang functionality ang maiisip mo. It commands your attention lalo na pag gabi, pag umilaw yan, mapapabreak ka talaga. Makukuha niya talaga yung attention mo mula dyan sa view sa likod. Ang ganda ng chrome accent sa gitna at dito din sa bandang baba, hinahouse niya yung reflectors sa dalawang gilid. May spoilers at shark fin antenna, may mahabang third brake light, and looking at the overall design, may dating agad siya na it is a small SUV pero spacious sa loob. Kaya tara, tignan na natin. Sa mga 5-seaters na nakita ko na SUV, ito na ata siguro ang pinaka-spacious. Ang laki ng legroom. Kahit matangkad ka, di ka masisigipan dito sa second row. I also like the way how the seats are designed kasi yung posisyon mo pag upo ay medyo nakaslant ito sa may bandang puwitan pero sakto lang din naman yung pagkakaslant niya. Talagang right away it gives you a certain level of comfort. May charging ports po andyan, may AC vents siya, door panels niya, ang ganda rin po ng design at materials na ginamit. It looks premium and classy. Dito naman po sa harap, I can say that it looks really premium. You have that impression that this car is really well made, everything is well put together with great proficiency. Yung design ng dashboard niya, hindi ko masabi na simple lang pero hindi rin naman komplikado. At first impression, tingin mo parang ang hirap naman magamay ng mga controls at different menus all around everywhere. Pero at the end of the day, it is all user-friendly. Looking at everything, I got a lot to mention but I don't really want to itemize and mention all of them. But there are a few things that I really want to mention at i-highlight. Unahin na natin itong shift knob. Looks very classy. Yung tipong kinakanti mo lang siya para mailagay mo siya doon sa gear. Meron din po siyang manual mode. I like it na nasa tabi din niya yung wireless charging. Ayan po. Very smart ang position na ginawa sa kanya. The steering wheel, tilt at telescopic po yan. I like the way it feels on your hands. At andyan yung control sa mga gilid. And I'm sure magaan yung manubela na to. Siyempre, this is a very high-tech vehicle. Kaya i-mention na natin yung mga safety features niya. Meron po siyang electronic stability program, anti-lock braking system, uphill assist system, tire pressure monitoring system, traction control. May ISOFIX tethers po yan. Meron po siyang electronic parking brake at naka-smart key po siya. Hindi lang yan, meron din po siyang auto start stop, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto para sa kanyang infotainment system. May Bluetooth connectivity din po yan. Meron din po siyang power-controlled sunroof, integrated long-bearing roof rail, at meron din po siyang one-touch power windows with anti-pinch. At syempre, along with that, may maganda po siyang alarm system, child safety lock, hill descent control. Meron din po siyang N95 cabin filter para yung hangin na umiikot mula sa AC ay malinis, at emergency brake assist. Yes po, lahat na yan ay naka full pack available andyan po sa sasakyan na to. At dito po sa Chery Auto Cainta, ito po ang SRP ng bagong-bagong Tiggo 5X Pro. Madali lang po makita ang location nila. Itong showroom nila is along Ortigas Avenue Extension. Napaka-accommodating po ng sales staff nila at i-assist po kayo ng mabuti. Kaya tara po, inquire na po kayo dito. Available po ang mga Chery SUVs. Sa performance naman, hindi natin dapat kalimutan. Engine niya is a 1.5 liter turbocharged petrol engine pero mild hybrid po siya kasi meron po siyang 48 volt BSG motor. Laki po ng tinutulong niyan para magbigay ng boost ng electricity na nagagamit lalo for stop and go traffic, kaya very fuel efficient po ng Tiggo 5X Pro. At alam naman na po natin lahat na a testament po dyan sa kanilang tiwala at confidence sa kanilang produkto ay ang long warranty periods na inaalok nila for the engine and for the car itself. Kaya mapapahanga ka talaga sa car company na to, ang Chery Auto. Sa pagtatapos, here is Chery Auto Philippines offering us a mild hybrid vehicle that is not priced all the way to the roof. Talaga masasabi mo na it is fairly priced. May long warranty periods na kasama para sigurado ka na meron kang peace of mind. At yung mga nasabi ko na yan, that speaks a lot. It is well packaged and well made. Di ko lang alam kung may mako-complain ka pa pag ganitong kaganda at ka-efficient ang sasakyan mo. And to sum it up, this is, hands down, a clear winner and it is worth buying. Ito po ang 2024 Chery Tiggo 5X Pro. If you found some value on this video, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. As always, maraming salamat po. Drive safe. I'll see you on the next one.